Hi, and welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services training video. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your feed set up in Microsoft Remote Desktop application. The first thing we want to do is download Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store. So we'll go ahead and open up the App Store. Next, in the search bar, we'll type Microsoft Remote Desktop. And here we can see Microsoft Remote Desktop 10. We just want to click into that and we want to click Install. So my button says Open because I already have it installed, but yours will say Install. So we'll go ahead and install that. And once it's installed, we'll click Open. And so here we can see Microsoft Remote Desktop. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure we're in the Fields tab, which is located at the top of the screen. Once we're in the Feeds tab, we just want to click Add Feed and type in the following URL: gateway.smbsolutions.com.au/rdweb/feed/webfeed.aspx. Now once we've entered in that URL up the top, you'll see some information will automatically be loaded beneath it. What we want to do is come down to the user account. We want to click on the drop down list and click Add User Account. And so here is where you'll enter in your login credentials for SAP Business One. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my details. And then you can create a friendly nickname for that user account if you have multiple accounts. Click Add once you're happy with those details, and then subscribe. Now what's happening is all of your applications are being loaded into the Microsoft Remote Desktop application. And now you can see here all of the applications that I have access to. Now there's obviously a lot more here because I have access to a lot more applications that you would, but what you'll see is just the applications that you normally have access to. And all you have to do to open up one of those applications, for example SAP Business One, is double click on the icon and then that'll connect you through. And so that's how you set up your web feed or your feed on the Microsoft Remote Desktop application for Mac users.